This morning, 100 million Americans are waking up to a massive winter wallop. Powerful dose of heavy snow, strong winds, and ice.
And the worst is yet to come. Right now, we've got winter weather alerts for 17 states, 70 million people.
Hey you guys, so right now I think I am going to make a snowman. This is gonna be like an attempt because I haven't done this like in years, but it's the perfect time to. Found some gloves that I saved in my closet for like 2 years, so I finally get to put them to use. And it's not really that cold, so that's good. Right now I just have my North Face, a hoodie, some pants. This is really steep, but let me get straight to it, right? There. Okay. I don't know if I could do it. And this is where my dog had to do what it do. Yeah. But I'm done with my snowman. I think I'm actually gonna run to the store. I got just something off of a scratch off, so I am going to cash that in. I'll be right back with you guys.
The next day.
Hey you guys, I wanted you guys to come couponing with me. So from checking out my CVS digitals, I have noticed that I had a lot of coupons for the Garnier Green Labs for Perfecting Can It Be. And here's like a little clip of how everything is. And I had close to like, I think $10 off from this. And the Garnier Green Labs was exactly $9 and change. So this will make it perfectly free. My second pickup that I found was the L'Oreal Paris, the Age Perfect Moisturizer. And for this, I have found 3 coupons that attached to this. I had got the cheapest one. It was $20. My coupons went up to $17, which basically brought it down to what? I had to pay $3 out of pocket, 3 and change. You know how the tax go. But I wanted to break it down even more. I also had a $3 extra care buck within my account. So I brought this down actually to less than $1. And I just wanted to show you guys what extreme couponing can do and how you can save your money by buying some good products. So here's my receipt, you guys. If you see from both items, they was well over $30. And I brought it down to 84 cents. And I just hope that you guys will know how much I love couponing.
The next day.
So you guys, it really wasn't the next day, but it was like, you know, the next week. But I was looking at my digitals and my extra care account, and I had actually a lot of coupons going towards L'Oreal Paris, the Age Perfect Moisturizer. So I picked this one up. It's a nighttime moisturizer, and I actually wanted to get this to my mom. The L'Oreal Paris, that one actually costs like 20 and change. You know, it depends on what store you're at, but I had $17 worth in coupons. If you see on the right side, the ones that are clipped, basically that's on card or checked off, if you guys don't know. And I spent like $2 and change, and you know, that's the deal. I'm not gonna pass on that. So the next thing I had found was the Garnier, the micellar cleansing water, and I had got the one that was with the vitamin C. It was like $9.99, but if you see with my extra care of my coupons that clipped off, it was $7 worth that went with that. And I thought that was a great deal because it's really like $2, $3 tops. You know how tax be. But with this, I was thinking of adding this to the giveaway. Yes, I still have the giveaway going on. I'm still trying to buy some things, and I'm just trying to get like the best things and the deals for you guys, you know. And this is a little sneak peek of one of the things that's gonna be for the giveaway. So the last thing that I did find was the Revlon, and you know, I just couldn't resist. It was like calling my name. Like once I saw it, I was like, oh, I have to get it. So this lippy was like $10 and change, but if you see on the right side, I had like $4 worth that was attaching to it, which isn't bad to me, but I know that I could bring it down more. But you know how my heart is. Once I see it, I want it, and so I had to go and get it. But I love Hot Red as a FYI, and I'm sure to be wearing this in the summer. Yeah. Okay. And it shows, yep. So everything's gonna go through. Looking good? Looking good.
$12.64.